Greetings, YouTubers. This is DJ Kaiba, and this is my first pack opening. It's not going to be much. I got 3 of the movie packs, the ones that contain a total of 9 cards, 5 in each pack. I went ahead and opened them out with the boxes, but I'm at work right now, so I'm want to make this as quick and easy as possible. Work the overnight shift, so luckily there's not too many people around at this hour. Anyways, let's see what I got here. I'm going to try and do this as best I can. Okay, now they're all opened. It'll be a lot easier. Alright, pack number 1 contains Malefic Claw Stream, Malefic Red Eyes Black Dragon, Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon, Malefic Parallel Gear, and Malefic Cyber End Dragon. Pack number 2. Of course, any single copies I have will go immediately into my collection, while I might be willing to trade some of my extras. We'll see how things go. Okay, I got Junk Gardna, Malefic World, another Malefic Claw Stream, another Malefic Red Eyes, and Malefic Rainbow Dragon. Yay! And the final pack. Oh, sorry about that beep, I hit one of the buttons. I'm trying to work it with one hand here. Okay, we got Malefic Blue Eyes, Malefic Parallel Gear, a Junk Gardna, Malefic World, sorry about the lighting, and Malefic Paradox Dragon. Let's see here. So we got number 9, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, another one of the 9s, another 1, 5, the Blue Eyes I'm going to keep, I think. Probably pretty easy to get one anyway. 2, did I have 2? Oh, yeah, I covered first one, Red Eyes up. Another 3, another 6, another 8, and 7, which means I have managed to get all 9. Not that difficult, I guess, but nonetheless, I'm pretty proud. So, 2 the Red Eyes, 2 Blue Eyes, 2 Gears, 1 Rainbow, 1 Cyber End, 1 Rainbow, 2 Junks, 1 Paradox, 2 Malefic Worlds, and 2 Malefic Claw Streams. Well, I think that's pretty good. I managed to get them all in one go. Alright, well, if I get any more booster packs later on, I will go ahead and post those openings as well, but I've got one trade bite ready to go. I will be posting that within the next couple of days, so thanks for watching.